Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. You know, in my little wood shop, I have a small Hitachi chop saw. And this chop saw does fine. I've had this chop saw for a long time, probably more than 20 years. And it does a good job because most of the stuff that I make in my little wood shop during the winter, it's usually small stuff. I make, I'll make some signs or some cutting boards and I'll need to cut things and then laminate them together. And it does fine. I have no problem with it. And I have dust collection on it. I have a downdraft dust collection, and also I got dust collection hooked up to the back of it. But it's the only chop saw I have, and I like the way it's set up here. I've got a stop block and a T-track, and it serves its purpose here in the little shop. But I don't want to have to unbolt this thing and take it down to my big shop and to start on my siding project. So my idea is to get another chop saw and just keep it down in the big shop. And if I need it, I can always bring it. If I need a bigger one up here, I could bring it up here. So I've decided, I've been doing some reviews, and oh, there's a baby deer right out there walking on the road. Let's see if you can see it. Staring right at me. Anyway, yeah, let me show you what I found, and we're gonna see if we can't pick one of these up, and we'll do an unboxing and a review of it. And I think it'll be a good addition to the tools, the family of tools. And of course, I love buying tools. Anyway, let me show you what I found. Okay, what I found is this, after doing a lot of research, I think for the money, this is the best saw for me. It's $3.99, and it's a 12-inch, it's a Hercules 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. So I'm guessing that you can cut a 12-inch wide board on it. This looks like a nice saw, and what's amazing is it has 5 stars with 2,132 views. So this is the saw that I've decided to try out. It's a Hercules 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw with precision LED shadow guide, which should be nice. Now this should be a really good addition to the shop, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and buy this saw, although it looks like right down here it says back in stock soon. So I'm going to have to call them and see if they have that, if they have it in stock. So this is the one I'm going to buy, and I will see you, we will go to Harbor Freight and see if we can pick this up, and we'll bring it back, unbox it, and probably we'll be starting on my siding project. I'm thinking of recessing this. I'm thinking of using my sawhorses that I recently bought and make a little chop saw station and recess this in there somehow. We're going to be working outside on the outside of the garage, and yeah, this is my choice. So it has a lot of good reviews. I saw a few things, a few negative comments. One of them was this little vacuum thing, where it's a little dust collector rubber thing that doesn't seem to hold up very good. But for the most part, this thing got good reviews. And the other saw that I was looking at was a DeWalt, and you can see right here the DeWalt's $649 compared to $399. So this thing's definitely a couple $100 cheaper, and I think it's going to work fine. But only time will tell how it lasts. But we will get down to the Harbor Freight store, and we'll go in there and we'll see if we can't get one. Okay, we are in the truck. I'm actually trying out a new camera speaker, so hopefully the sound's a little better this time. We are on our way to the Harbor Freight store. I think we're in New Mexico now. We're going from Colorado to New Mexico. The closest Harbor Freight to me is in Farmington, New Mexico, and it's a beautiful beautiful scenery on the way out here. The mountains are really nice. Anyway, I'll see you at the store, and we will pick up this Hercules chop saw and check it out. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to tell you is in my email box yesterday, I got Harbor Freight coupon in the mail, and so instead of paying $399.99, there's $60 off, so it's $339.99, and this coupon expires tomorrow. So hopefully they have this saw there when I get there, and yeah, I'll see you at the store. Okay, after getting to Harbor Freight, after driving about an hour to get here, you'll see the one that I wanted on the end of this display stand. And the one thing I found was this chop saw stand, which was on sale also, was really nice. That stand that saw is sitting on. Now I did strike out. They did not have the saw in stock, but I was able to get a rain check on the sale price of both the stand and the saw. Okay, after 2 weeks of waiting, I did end up getting the saw. They did honor the sale price, I think it was $338, and this one was also on sale at I believe $140. I'll post it up here though. But after seeing this stand, it was a really sturdy stand, and yeah, 550-pound weight capacity, 8 foot of material support. Now it's not going to be long enough for doing my siding, but it will be handy down here in the shop. And so right now we're going to unbox the saw and take a look at it. And comes with a 60-tooth saw blade, which will be fine. Yeah, let's get to opening it.
Thousand years later.
Okay, that looks like it's the final assembly. Right off the bat, I have to tell you, I really like this saw. It's got really good motion. I decided to use it for a couple days before I gave my final thoughts on it, and everything about this is really nice. The stand is really solid. How it feels in your hand when you're cutting something works really good. I'll give you a couple close-up shots of some of the action of it. Right here you can see the sliding, the miter part of it really slides nice. And it locks at 45, it locks at 32, I believe, 15, and 0. Right here you can see the handle on the side, and this is on both sides, and this allows you to open that up, you can rotate, and basically you get 15, 30, 45 on both sides, and you can go either way. So I can bring it this way, the same. And then you want to be on 0. And then we're back on 0. And you can see the motion is really nice. Here you can see your precision blade. It's really a shadow. So you turn that on and you can see it leaves a shadow on that blade, and that works good too. Off on switch right there. Now to take your saw on and off the clamps, you just basically, you have these two positions here. You push this in right there, open it up. Same thing on the other side, and the saw comes right off. I'm going to leave that hooked up though. It's got handles right here. Here's your glide for your, pop that open. You can, it's pretty solid. So you can move this back and forth and basically lock her down right there, and you got an adjustment right here for your up and down. Yeah, all in all, I'd say it's a really good saw. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I'd have to say that this is probably one of the best saws that I've ever had. Time will tell, obviously, how long it lasts, but it's I've used it for a couple days now, and I really like the way it operates. Everything about it is really nice. I have looked at it, and I figured out that I could take off this fence and possibly cut 16-inch wide siding. So I'm in the middle of starting on my siding project, and I will update you on that. Anyway, thank you very much again for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I will see you next time. Later.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. But I wouldn't